Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I post some affordable DIYs, and today I'll be using old cardboard boxes to create such amazing DIYs. So let's get started. For the first DIY you will need an old cardboard box, jute rope and a lace. Firstly, I'll be covering the cardboard box with the jute rope. Here I'm using glue gun. You can also use Fevicol for this. At the starting, you will have to apply a generous amount of glue, and after 3-4 layers are completed, you can apply some dots and it will stick. Here I have covered 3/4 portion of the cardboard box with the jute rope, and now I'll be using a lace to cover the rest of the portion. If you're using a glue gun to stick the lace, then make sure that your fingers does not come in contact with the hot glue. You can always use something else that would serve the purpose. Here I'll be using scissors for doing that. Now I'll be sticking the leftover portion of the lace inside the cardboard box so that it will give it a clean look. And this is how it will look after placing some artificial flowers or leaves inside it. For the next DIY we need a jute fabric, shoe box, handmade sheet, scissors, glue gun, some laces, buttons and a cardboard sheet. Firstly, I'll be measuring the lid of the cardboard box, and then I'll be cutting the jute fabric according to the measurements, and then I'll cover the lid with that jute fabric. Now I'm sticking a wrapping paper inside so as to hide that brown portion of the cardboard lid. And in the same manner, I'll be measuring the rest of the box and will cover it with the handmade sheet. While taking the measurements of the box, just keep in mind that you'll keep a little bit extra sheet so that you could cover the edges as well. I'll be pasting these sheets with the help of a Fevicol. You can also use glue gun. It is up to you. In the similar manner, I'll cover the rest of the box with the handmade sheet. Now I'm sticking the same wrapping paper inside the box so that I could hide that brown portion of the box. Now I'm folding the extra handmade sheet inside so that I could cover the edges of the box. Now I have cut these rectangular pieces so that I could make a partition in the box. And I'll be covering these with the same wrapping paper. Now I have taken this thin sheet with which I'll be making a roll. Something like this, and I'll be sticking it with the help of a tape. And finally I'll be covering it with the handmade sheet. I made one more in the same manner. Now I'll be taking the same sheet and I'll be cutting in this way as shown. And we'll be covering it with the same wrapping paper. And in the same manner I have made 4 of these as well. And now I am sticking all those elements in the box. And the final placement will look something like this. And to decorate the lid of the box, I am using these laces. You can use whatever you want. And in the center I am placing a button. Here I am making a flower with these laces. And finally the box will look something like this. You can place anything of your choice in between, but I have made it for placing jewelry. This is it for today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up and share your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.